recording storm drain system. This is attached to the foundation drain of the unit. I'm doing a pullback. This is the catch basin right now that we're in at 42 feet. And now we're going to pull back. PVC pipe. Right here is a lip at one of the joints. Could have been leading to the clog. I don't see anything else worrisome there. There's no roots were coming in. And I also don't believe this is the actual side of the main clog, but that is a lip. You can see right there. There's on the screen, you can see the lip on the bottom where the camera, right where the water goes, so that can build up stuff and plug back up. But the actual clog would have been back here at this turn. So I think it's right there. This is the turn where I believe the first clog was. It's just a slight turn. Wait, no, that's not the turn. Right there. So you have a turn right there, and this is where we had the jetter head lined up when we cleared the clog. I believe stuff was just built up in this turn, and then it led to another offset right after that I just showed you guys. And as you can see, there's no roots coming in anywhere. There's no damage to the pipe. There's discoloration on the bottom. You can see where our jetter was scraping on there, but that is open and flowing. There's nothing inhibiting it. Now we are going to be coming up out of the cleanout.